warm welcome to everyone. So our group 22A is going to present about the smartest solution for our AOLM project. So you all might be thinking, what is smart desk, or like in a day-to-day life, how students are going to keep up with modern technology. So to implement a barricade or to tackle this challenge, we have come up with the solution of Joma's innovation. Joma's innovation is a smart table, which is going to now eradicate the normal desks or the benches which the current students are going to learn through. Through smart tables, the students are going to enable a greater innovative and enhance their skills as they learn in a new technological advanced solutions with the help of AI and artificial intelligence and virtual reality. Students are going to gain more knowledge in the world. As you can see that this table is expected to change the scope of learning across higher educations as well as modern cultural universities. Now I would like to hand it over to Tune for talking about the executive summary.
My name is Tunde Adediran. I will be speaking on executive summary. Modern technology. Smart table enabled the newest innovation revolution classroom into interactive digital learning process. Features. There are multiple touch displays input storage, a stable interface and robust connectivity. Then the focus. It allows teachers and staff to focus on more students. The quality learning. It enables the learners to reap the reward of simultaneous productivity and learning experience. Then the benefits. Smart table amplify the benefits of technology for all education and stakeholders. And the data connection. The data driving insights further help customer teaching and operation. So I will be handing over.
Hi, this is Mosamud Shamim Akhtar. My student ID is 22082858. Today I will be describing about our customer persona, and I will describe the student persona and as well as the professor persona. So here it is. Okay, our primary persona is university students. These are tech-savvy young adults who want technology to enhance their learning experience. The smart table allows for seamless collaboration. Students can share digital notes, diagrams, web pages, etc. easily with table mates. And the key point will be engaging in learning. The interactive features like quizzes, polls, and games integrated into the tabletop create engaging and fun learning. The smart table helps students stay organized with automated backups, timestamps, and search for digital notes taken on the table. Focusing the benefits, we can assume that the smart table enhances collaboration, makes learning more interesting and impactful, leverages education technologies, and helps students be more organized and productive. The next one is professor persona. Our secondary persona is university professors. They want to incorporate innovative technologies into their teaching methods to boost student engagement. Here are some potential key benefits of the smart table for professors. Number one can be enhanced teaching methods. The smart table allows professors to easily incorporate collaborative activities, interactive media, and educational games into lessons. Built-in feature like quizzes, feedback surveys, and discussion board provide professors with more ways to actively engage students. The smart table software provides professors with dashboards and reports to monitor student performance and engagement. The key focus areas are enabling better teaching methods, increasing student engagement, providing analytics into student performance, simplifying classroom administration, and facilitating active learning models. Thank you everyone, and I want to invite my next colleague to over here.
Guys, I'm Akhil Kumar. My student ID is 22089550. I want to tell about Paul Thomas. His IT profession is staying in Hatfield, and the attitudinal backgrounds of his are designing, implementing, and evaluating computer-based systems, processes, and programs, identifying, analyzing, and responding to user needs to selection, evaluation, and administration for computer-based systems. And he mostly likes gaming and basketball, and he mostly dislike spicy food and slow Wi-Fi. And the main points to be jobs to be done are maintain system operations smoothly within the campus, ensure the integrity and security of data in network, provide technical support to staff and students, and provide setting up of new device, stay updated with the technology trends, implement security measures for cyber attacks and malware.
Hi, my name is Angela Sukwa. I'm here to talk about the customer journey map. What's a customer journey map? Customer journey map is a visual understanding or engagement a customer has with his product. Here, our key customer is the student, and this is the student's journey map of our product, which is a smart table. Firstly, the awareness. The student becomes aware of the product while coming into the classroom. The interest, the student picks an interest in the product because the product actually makes learning easier and faster. Consideration, this is the part where the student compares the electric smart table with the traditional learning or traditional way of assimilating what is being taught in the classroom. The usage, this is where the student makes use of the smart table while studying and working on other activities. Then the support, this is where the student encounters an issue and actually asks for help Then the loyalty, this is where the student is actually satisfied with the usage of the product. I'm going to pass it on to my colleague to come and talk more.
My name is Oluwakemi Aduloju, student ID 220-66773. I'll be talking on the solution canvas, the jobs that to be done. And what are the jobs that are to be done? Student needs furniture that maximize limited space. If we know, we can all see that we have a lot of tables in the classroom, but with this smart table, it will just be limited, and the space, the classroom will be spacious. Students seek creativity, personalization, offers way to customize with accessories, as things are being displayed, a lot of languages, a lot of interpretations. They will be able to communicate with one another fluently. Potential solution, modular places like seats, desks, storage to configure layers, bring affordable technology solution to rural community in the third world nation. Adjustable tabletop and leg which are electronically adjust as per students' sitting position. Some students like sitting position, their sitting position in the normal desk is not good. So with this smart table, they will be able to sit down very well. We are talking about business solution chosen, minimizing market budget and promotional campaign due to the expected low interest. Set lower price compared to the competitor to attract bargain buyers. As for the commitment given to the youth and providing that tech can further eradicate distant education and give more for them. This way we are just talking that our youth, they have more knowledge and they will improve in the tech world, because we are in the tech world now. Our assumption, uncertainty, importance. Assumption, products developers from other schools will be interested in purchasing. The uncertainty is minimal and importance is high. Rapid scaling is required to capitalize on opportunity. The uncertainty is minimal and the importance is minimum. Business model, now I move to business models chosen. Business model chosen is through the implementation of AI and virtual learning. Students can get to know more into the depth of every topic. So with this smart table, students will be able to know and to have more knowledge, more deep knowledge on their studies, on all their courses that they're being taught. The testing 1 and testing 2, we have hypothesis. Our hypothesis for test 1 will be 80%, for the test 2 will be 80%. The experiment will be 1 year of in-class learning with the smart decks. And for the test 2, the testing stage was successful as students showcase more outcome in their studies. The target metric is in test 1 will be 80%, and in test 2 will be 85%. Actual results 70% in test 1, and in test 2 will be 85%. Inside, investors are prepared to provide funding for the project as long as its values align with their own sustainability development goals, obtain objective and the operational procedure remains transparent and decision to go live within the next 6 months, as this is a variable project and insurance of license. Then I'll pass this to my next colleagues to talk on the Power BI.
Alright guys, so now I'm going to go ahead with the Power BI. So just for reference, what is Power BI? Power BI is a data analytics source. It's a software which includes huge number of data to be converted into a visual graphical chart. So as our selected Power BI was for the Superstore database, we have chosen 3 KPIs, which are sales, then sales by shipping cost, and the total profit in each provinces. So let's first start with the sales by the profit. So as we can see from the chart, initial phases it was a low sales because they had made a less profit, and gradually upon the growth, the sales increased. So over here from the analysis, we can see that as we see from the graph, the initial stage they had made a profit of almost 1,000 rupees, and as per the scale escalated, we had a gross over 10,000 rupees in profit. Next. Now we're going to show the sales by the shipping cost. So eventually our initial shipping cost was 19.99 for a sales which generated almost up to let's say 2.5 million. But gradually, as you can see, that the shipping cost had increased as the sales had increased. But they didn't have a steady scope of increase because it was more like a narrow scope. And from that, the highest number of sales which gross was almost 8 million, which had a shipping cost of 69 rupees. Next. Now we're coming to the sum of profit by province. So province is the different areas which are based in the world. So over here we can see that the Superstore generated more sales in the region of Ontario, which is based in Canada. As you can see that they had generated almost 100k in profit. And coming to the least, it's a place called Nunavut. Nunavut generated the most least sales, which had gross barely 1,000. So from this we can see that the top 3 producing sale places are Ontario, British Columbia and Quebec, while the least are Novo, Newfoundland and Nunavut. Thank you.
I'm Anindal Kumar. My student ID is 22090475, and I would like to speak about recommendation. And the first one is interview observation to understand the needs. Second one, prioritize collaboration and engagements. Third one, group work, discussion and interactivity. The fourth one is customizable interface and focus on privacy and the security. The fifth one, partner with stakeholders and explore pricing models. Sixth one, pilot, gather feedbacks and then scale. And seventh one is tailor for skills, inscription and subject ages and access controls. And the last one is post-purchase support on the basis of highlights, learning outcomes and affordable with quality. And I would like to pass the conclusion part to my next colleague.
Hello everybody, my name is Juliet Akebe. I'm here to conclude on our presentation. As my colleagues have said it all, how important a smart table is in a learning environment. Now, the smart table transforms classrooms into interactive, collaborative learning environments. It also promotes students' engagement in the activities that are being carried on in the class. They are able to participate better and even enjoy their learning in the process. It also helps the students to track their progress in their learning. You don't need to go as far as meeting your lecturer or checking your laptop, or you just sit on your table and you'll be able to check your progress of how far you've been going or doing in the class or in that particular course module. It also helps the lecturers to plan better. It eases them and gives them the simple way to plan their modules so that it will enable the students to learn better too using this smart table. Thank you, and I hope that this smart table will be of great use and importance to the students.